Polished concrete flooring is standard flooring for grocery stores due to the ease of maintenance, the durability, and aesthetics. Therefore, it is important to know how to properly maintain your floors and the cleaning equipment used. Here are the general guidelines. Clean up spills immediately. Some spills of acidic liquid like pickle juice or wine can even eat away at the top layer of the concrete, leaving a permanent etch on the floor. Use QuestMark's Clean and Protect along with fresh water for acidic liquid like pickle juice or wine. For sticky stains like tape adhesive, food, gum, use QuestMark's Cleaner and Degreaser HD to remove the sticky residue. Dust, mop, or sweep the entire floor several times a day, once a day at minimum. This removes any tracked-in dirt or debris that could dull the floor. Mop or auto scrub with Clean and Protect daily. If you're using a mop and bucket, mix 1 ounce of Clean and Protect for every 1 gallon of fresh water. If you're using an auto scrubber with a 15-gallon tank, fill the tank with water and then use 1 pouch of QuestMark's Clean and Protect 15, which is specifically concentrated for 15-gallon tanks. Use QuestMark's Clean and Protect 30, which is made for 30-gallon tanks. Make sure your sweepers and scrubbers must have soft bristle brushes or pads, and the down pressure on scrubbers should be at the lowest settings. If a full refresh or revitalization is needed, contact your QuestMark service sales representative. Taking care of your cleaning equipment should be part of your regular maintenance routine. Squeegees should be rotated on a regular basis to avoid excessive wear. Rounded edges and damaged squeegees can leave a dirt trail. After use, all squeegees, mops, and brooms should be stored hanging up so they can properly dry and not have pressure on the edges. For sweepers and scrubbers, the pads and bristles should be flushed clean with water and stored in the up position. Do not allow pads and brushes to continue to rotate when the scrubber is not moving. Let's review best practices. Clean spills immediately. Dust, mop, or sweep once a day or as needed. Mop or auto scrub with Clean and Protect daily. Use the appropriate amount of cleaning concentrate for your water. Sweepers and scrubbers must have soft bristle brushes or pads. Keep the down pressure on the scrubbers at the lowest setting. Rotate your squeegees on a regular basis. Make sure all cleaning equipment is properly cleaned and stored after use. When the scrubber is not moving, make sure the pads and brushes don't rotate. Contact QuestMark for a full refresh or revitalization. Polished concrete floors are easy to maintain, but it is important to clean them on a regular basis to keep their appearance. Putting a proper maintenance plan in place will keep your floor looking beautiful and maximize its life.